And you know one thing about sunburn, once you have sunburn on your face, it makes you look more older. People will think that you're very, very old because sunburn has this kind of someone will give you this old age look on your face. So guys, after that 3 weeks, I noticed I have sunburn on my face, and the thing started giving me a concern. I didn't know what to do. I started asking friends. I started asking people what to do, how to get rid of it. Some people recommend some products for me, while some will tell me to use some natural products, while some will tell me to use this, is that. Guys, I used everything they were saying. Like, I used every product they recommend for me. Nothing is working. At a point, I started researching, because as a content creator that always creates videos, you don't need sunburn on your face. Hello, you don't need sunburn on your face. So guys, I started searching. At the end of the game, nothing. Even this video, for you people to see my face very well, I will not edit this video. Like, I will not use any filter on this video. I will post this video the way it is for you people to see my face very well. So guys, I contacted one of my skincare vendors. So I told him a lot about my face. I screenshot my face and sent to him and everything. So he sent me this product. Dr. Rachel Vitamin C Brightening Anti-Aging Eye Cream. Guys, the cream was not even that expensive to compare the ones I've used before. I think I bought this thing for 6,500 or 7,000, neither 6,500 or 7,000. And guys, do you know what happened? I used this serum for 3 weeks and the whole thing disappeared. I'm telling you people the gospel truth. You know, I'm not a skincare head, but I promise you people that in this channel, anything that I use that work for me, that will come and share it with you people. No cap. So guys, I use this serum and it works for me. So if you are battling with sunburn, under eye circle, I think this is the best serum for you to use because it works for me. And I said, why would I? And the funniest part is that I've had this thing for like 4 months now. Yes, since I bought it, I've had it for like 4 months, because since then, you know what I normally do now, if I'm going out in the morning, I'll use it. After using it, I'll now use my sunscreen on top. Then at night again, after using the whole good, I'll just use it just the way I use it now, because now I finished vetting and so that is it. Guys, I said that I promise you people that anything that works for me, is it skincare? Is it hair? Is it anything that works for me, that I must share it with you people? That's what I'm here for. So guys, this particular serum, this particular brightening and anti-aging eye serum work for me. That's why I decided to share it with you. So if you are battling with under eye circle, sunburn, don't forget to get this for yourself. You will thank me later. And if you still know any other eye cream, or if you have used any eye cream that works for you, feel free to drop it at the comment section. Maybe 1 or 2 person might see it and like to,